Do you want a productive daily routine for students that actually works? The internet is full of perfect student routine videos that are impossible to follow. They tell you to wake up at 4 a.m. and study for 10 hours straight. That's not a realistic student daily routine. It's a fantasy. This video is different. I'm going to give you a simple framework that's easy to follow. This isn't just about getting good grades. It's about building a healthy student routine that helps you feel confident and in control. This is the ultimate guide to the daily life of a student. Let's get started. The night routine. The best morning routine for school students actually begins the night before. This is the real secret. Here is your essential night routine for students. The brain dump. About an hour before you go to bed, take out a piece of paper or open a note app. Write down everything on your mind, every task for tomorrow, every worry. Get it all out. This clears your mind for rest. The digital sunset. Set a firm time to put your phone away. An hour before bed is ideal. Put it on silent in another room. No scrolling, no last-minute emails. This is a non-negotiable step for a great night of sleep. The morning routine. This is the most powerful part of your day. It's about being proactive. Don't touch your phone right away. Instead, do this. Hydrate and activate. Drink a large glass of water, then spend 5 minutes doing some light stretches or a quick walk. This wakes up your body and mind better than any caffeine. Plan your win. Look at your schedule for the day. Review the top 3 tasks you need to get done. You already know what they are because of your night routine. The study routine. This is where you actually get things done. A good student routine for studying isn't about how long you work. It's about how well you work. The 45-15 rule. Study with deep focus for 45 minutes straight. No distractions, no music. When your timer goes off, take a full 15-minute break. Don't scroll your phone, stand up, stretch, and get a snack. This simple rhythm keeps your brain from burning out. Build a sacred study zone. Designate one spot as your study area. This is not for eating or watching videos. When you sit there, your brain knows it is time to work. This is one of the most powerful student study tips you will ever learn. Remember, this isn't about being perfect. This is about being consistent. Here are the core student routine tips to remember. Your day starts the night before. Your morning is about winning the first hour. Your study time is all about focus blocks. Your sleep is your superpower, especially during exam season. If you follow this framework, you will not only be more productive, but you will also feel better. This is the difference between a realistic routine and one that only lives on YouTube. This is what a successful student routine really looks like. If this video helped you build a better routine, hit that like button. And for more videos that help you grow every minute, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.